Welcome, today I've heard of the OPPO Reno8 Lite and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now we have selected this like the miracles. Just to change it, we should launch the settings application and scroll down to the password and security. Then click to the fingerprint. Here you should draw your pattern or enter the PIN code or passcode. Then tap here to fingerprint animation and switch it just to one from this available animations. For example, I'll go with this one. Just after that, you can lock the device and check. And as you can see, we just successfully changed our device fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.